Hello, folks. So, in this video, I wanted to talk about probably why, some probable reasons of why women would actually, hide their face uh, in Chennai or in Tamil Nadu or in anywhere in India while going out, especially. Uh, of course, there was COVID and people were using masks to cover their face, but then one good reason to use mask or a cloth or whatever to cover your face is for dust reasons. Lot of dust around in the air, on the roads, and then the second thing is sunlight. But then people are wearing this even at night, probably because of dust on the roads. And third reason I can think of is, other than dust, sunlight, third reason is like it could be because people don't want to get recognized by someone else because they are roaming around the city or town, or they're roaming around with their partner or their boyfriend, girlfriend, or whatever, right? Or they're probably having an affair, they're married and they're trying to have an affair or whatever. Pretty crazy reason, but I think that is true. A lot of movies depict this. I just wanted to talk about it explicitly because I just thought of it and I was like, yeah, this is a good reason, and I've seen this in movies. And if it's on the movies, of course, a lot of people are using this tactic. So this strategy is great. I don't know. If someone recognizes them even with their face covered, they could just say, well, that person looks similar to me and they had the same dress as me, but that wasn't me, right? If they recognize the dress and that it is you, and they probably called you by your name and you turned, and then you can later be like, it's okay, probably there is another person with the same name, with the same dress, all of that. It can be hard to believe and whatnot for the other person, but then the person who is accusing, but then still you can still get away with it somehow or whatever. But most people don't remember people's say dresses, or guess by looking at someone and be like, is this probably someone I know? They wouldn't think of that if the face is totally covered except the eyes. So very good strategy to hide yourself. So that's all I had for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.